The Intel Xeon E5-2637v3 is a powerful central processing unit (CPU) designed for use in server and workstation environments. It was released by Intel in 2014, as part of the Xeon E5 family, and has since become a popular choice among users who require high-performance computing capabilities. In this article, we'll take an in-depth look at the specifications of the Xeon E5-2637v3, including its architecture, features, and performance characteristics. Architecture: the Xeon E5-2637v3 is based on the Haswell architecture, which was Intel's fourth-generation core microarchitecture. Haswell is built using a 22 nanometers manufacturing process, which enables it to achieve higher clock speeds and greater power efficiency than its predecessors. The Xeon E5-2637v3 features 4 cores, each of which is capable of executing 2 threads simultaneously thanks to Intel's hyper-threading technology. This means that the CPU can handle up to 8 threads at once, which can lead to significant performance gains in multi-threaded applications. Features: one of the standout features of the Xeon E5-2637v3 is its support for DDR4 memory. This type of memory is faster and more power efficient than DDR3, which was the previous standard. The Xeon E5-2637v3 can support up to 768 GB of DDR4 memory, which is divided into 4 channels with a maximum bandwidth of 68 GB per second. The Xeon E5-2637v3 also supports Intel's Advanced Vector Extensions 2, AVX2, instruction set, which allows for faster processing of floating-point operations. This is particularly useful in scientific and engineering applications that require large amounts of number crunching. Additionally, the CPU features Intel's Turbo Boost technology, which allows it to automatically increase its clock speed when needed to handle demanding workloads. Another important feature of the Xeon E5-2637v3 is its support for PCI Express 3.0. This technology allows for faster data transfer between the CPU and other components such as graphics cards and solid-state drives. The CPU supports up to 40 lanes of PCI 3.0, which gives users a lot of flexibility in terms of how they configure their system. Performance: the Xeon E5-2637v3 is a high-performance CPU that is capable of handling demanding workloads with ease. Its base clock speed is 3.5 GHz, but it can turbo boost up to 3.7 GHz when necessary. This makes it well suited for applications that require a lot of processing power, such as scientific simulations, 3D rendering, and video editing. In terms of benchmark performance, the Xeon E5-2637v3 performs well compared to other CPUs in its class. According to Passmark, a popular benchmarking tool, the CPU scores a total of 13,346 points, which places it in the top 10% of all CPUs tested. It performs particularly well in multi-threaded benchmarks, where its 8 threads give it a significant advantage over CPUs with fewer cores. Power consumption: despite its high performance, the Xeon E5-2637v3 is a relatively power-efficient CPU. Its thermal design power, TDP, is 135 watts, which is on par with other CPUs in its class. However, thanks to its Turbo Boost technology, the CPU is able to operate at higher clock speeds without significantly increasing its power consumption. This can lead to lower overall power usage in systems that utilize the CPU. Cache: the CPU has a total of 15 MB of cache memory, which is divided into 3 levels. The first level cache, L1, is 64 KB per core, the second level cache, L2, is 256 KB per core, and the third level cache, L3, is 15 MB shared across all 4 cores. The cache is used to store frequently accessed data and instructions, which helps to improve performance by reducing the time it takes for the CPU to access memory. Virtualization: The Xeon E5-2637 v3 includes support for virtualization technologies such as Intel Virtualization Technology, VTX, and Intel Virtualization Technology for Directed I/O, VTD. These features allow the CPU to run multiple virtual machines, VMs, simultaneously, which can help to increase the efficiency and utilization of server and workstation environments. Security. The CPU also includes a number of security features, including Intel Trusted Execution Technology, TXT, and Intel Advanced Encryption Standard New Instructions, ISNI. Text is a hardware-based security feature that helps to protect against malicious software attacks by verifying the integrity of the CPU and system firmware. ISNI is a set of instructions that accelerates the encryption and decryption of data, which can be useful in applications that require secure communication. Compatibility. The Xeon E5-2637 v3 is compatible with a wide range of server and workstation motherboards. It uses the LGA 2011 v3 socket, which is also used by other Xeon E5 CPUs as well as some high-end consumer CPUs such as the Core i7-5960X. It is also compatible with Intel's C610 chipset, which provides support for features such as DDR4 memory, PCIe 3.0, and USB 3.0. Overall, the Xeon E5-2637 v3 is a powerful and versatile CPU that is well suited for a wide range of applications. Its high performance, support for DDR4 memory, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for server and workstation environments that require a lot of processing power. Its relatively low power consumption and compatibility with a wide range of hardware make it a great choice for building high-performance systems that are also energy efficient.